Welcome to another video for GDS WinBidPro. This is version 15.10.6 and it's March 30th, 2020. I wanted to go real quickly over the export-import feature that we've added recently. I think it was maybe 15.9 that we've added this, and it's a little different than the backup restore. So first thing we're going to do is go to Jobs. And in our job copy backup utilities, which is the same menu it's been, it now says export backup current job file and import restore. So what we've made it do is, I'm going to open that up. We've made it import, if you have an old backup, which is an MDB file, which is an access database. If you've backed up previously, like years ago or months ago, we've made it so you can still restore jobs from an older backup. But now it's different. So the new export feature, which is if you want to back up a job now, it's really exporting it. It's putting it in a file, and you'll see here it names it the job name. So the name of my job, you can see it down here at the bottom of the window, is CAN System Test. It's naming that, and it's naming it WBPJ, so it stands for WinBidPro Job. So basically it's one kind of text file that contains all the information for that job. So it's the glass, the labor, the elevations, the pricing, the parts, the framing system stuff. So everything's kind of contained in this one text file. So this makes it really easy to transport it. You can obviously put it on a thumb drive or something like that, but you can also email it. So you can email it to someone, and you can also pick where it needs to be put. So I can put it on my desktop, or if I have a temp folder, something like that. I can save it there, and then it opens up the folder. So it opens up your Explorer window with that folder in it, and then from then you can do whatever you want with it. You can just leave it there, or you can email it to someone or whatever. So if I close that folder now, let's just say I'm somebody else, and I go to my computer and I open up my email, and I see that WBPJ file, and I save it to my computer, then I can just go into Jobs, and I can go to that same menu, but this time I'm going to go to Import Restore. So I go there, and then I'll find that job. So any of the WPJ files, you'll see that I've got some other ones in here. Those are all exported jobs. So like I say, it's self-contained. It has everything that a job needs to be able to open. Now the exception right now is details. So if somebody imports this into a catalog that's not the same catalog, like this is YKK right now, if I try and import it into an Oldcastle catalog or something, it'll bring all the parts in, but it doesn't have the details. So if you went to go open a framing system or do the shop drawings, it's not going to know where the details are. So that's something we plan to add in future updates. It might be like 15.11 that comes out in. So in that case, we're probably going to start doing catalog updates with these types of export-import things, only for framing systems. Anyway, it's very transportable, so that's the reason we went this direction. It's easy to send this type of file. So now I can if I wanted to restore it, I would just select it and open it. Now, if it knows that it's already there, it's just going to copy a new version of it, and you'd have to go in and edit the name. But right now I have two versions of that same file, so I can put copy in here or something. So that's it. So that's pretty much all you need to do to export and import a job. But like I say, you can email it to someone or send it across a network or whatever, and it gives another person with GDS WinBidPro the ability to get your jobs. All right, thanks.